What's up, everyone? Viper here, back again in Myth Survival, and today I'm going to go over electricity. We're going to start out by building the generator, which will be under the little generator icon or radio, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to need 10 scrap, 20 components, and 6 gears, and you'll need the hammer. So we're just going to put it down right here. And as you can see, I have a bunch of components and stuff already. Alright, next I'm going to show you the lights, or build the lights. You've got a standard lamp post, and you can turn this around or rotate it, whatever, just like everything else. And I'm just going to put it right there, just to keep the infected from knocking it over if I'm out here. And then we're going to build the other light, which this one's only 4 wood, 4 components, and 1 electronic part. This one's 8 scrap and 8 components and 9, or 1 electronic part. And I'm just going to build this one right here. Alright, now we got our 2 lights. I'll build the third one when we go back to the house. But you need to put fuel in your generator, and right now it burns a lot of fuel if you keep this thing running all the time. So I only use it at night if I need lights. And this thing will run for 5 days with 15 liters of fuel. And so I only turn mine on when I need lights. So when you got your let me build the refrigerators for first. The refrigerators are under, oh, they're under power as well. You just click this down here and you can build a small refrigerator and the bigger, larger refrigerator. And I'll show you I'll build them both so you can see the difference. But one has 10 and one has 20. Alright, I got the 2 refrigerators built. I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights on. The only way to turn on the generator is to actually hit the button on it. It's F for me. I don't know if you changed yours, but I'm going to hit F, turn the generator on. And then you can turn your lights on by 2 ways. You can just click over, hover over them, and then F, it'll turn the light on. Or you can go inside the generator's screen and just click on, and that'll turn the lights on. These directional lights, you can actually change the way they, let's get on top of this, which way they go, up or down. But they still don't have that wide of a range. So that's about it. And the refrigerators, they will be nice once they actually start working, but there's no difference between having them on or powered or non-powered. They don't keep food that long, so I don't even build them. Like, you go in my house and there's no refrigerators in there. Let me go ahead and turn this off and build the small little light. I'm going to go ahead and turn on my base lights. And another thing you can use for lights is vehicles. So between all the lights I have in the house, around the house, it's pretty lit up in my base area. to build the, there's another wall light you can make, which is in the workbench. It's under your light right here, and it needs one electronic part, 2 components, and a bottle. Alright, once you got your light built, you have to put it in your hotbar to actually turn it, to be able to use it. And you just find a little place in the wall, or you put it on your lockers or wherever you want to put it. Let's put it over here. And then you can turn it on by hitting F. Oh, that's bright. Or you can turn it on with the generator. I like to have my generator right here because I can hit it through the wall. So we're going to turn that one light on. As you can see, I got quite a few lights. And then that one light will be on. Alright, one thing that says it needs electricity is this workbench. Or saw machine. I find the saw machine at the lumber yard, so I don't make one. But to end up making one, it's under your workbenches, and it needs six wood, 6 components, 2 gears, and 2 electronic parts. But if you can find it at the sawmill, I'd rather just it'll save you the resources to actually build it. And hopefully they don't change it where it actually requires electricity, because that will be a reason you'll have to build this generator. Because right now you just have it for lights, really. So I can light up my base at night and people sleeping on the floor. I would give them beds and all, but they end up getting stuck on them. But you can light up your base. I mean, I could put more lights out there, but this is pretty much all I really need. One thing I almost forgot was the generator's got a range you can check. If you hit this button, it'll pulse out. I'm going to go out here to this other one so you could see it. And it goes out 30 meters from the location of your generator. So I'm going to keep this video short. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. Alright, thanks for watching.